welcome to Science with Ayazullah. And friends, today we are not going to do any experiment, but we are going to do unboxing. Friends, the unboxing is of a drone. See friends, it is hand sensor drone. See. Friends, it is the company of Firefly drone. And in this there are one button to take off land, removable battery, 50 meters remote control, altitude holding, gravity sensor, cool light, throwing fly reaction. In this there is even light at this drone's these parts. So friends, now let's move to the unboxing of the drone. So friends, first before the unboxing, I will tell you few caution of this drone. Friends, for this drone, you have to make sure you always use new batteries in the controller. Do not touch the aircraft while it is flying. Do not fly it if the aircraft is damaged or low on battery. If you are beginner, it's advisable to be assisted by an experienced aircraft pilot. So friends, now we'll open this drone. So friends, now I will tell you what all are there in this drone. Friends, see, this is the drone. And now I'll take the drone out. See friends, this is the drone. So friends, now except the drone, we get this button. See friends, this is the button, and we get this instruction book. And these charger and a screwdriver. So friends, now I'll keep these all back inside this. And we have this wristband. This button will, I think so, show the battery. This button. and this we have to wear at our finger. I'll show. It is little bit loose. 1 minute. Yes, friends, see. Like this we have to wear it. And like this we can operate it by moving our hand. I'll move these outside. So friends, now these are the 3 things of the drone. I think by pressing this button it will start, or I think by, don't know friends how it will start. I will see it. I'll see this drone and come back. So friends, now I got how will this lights on. Here there is one button, you have to keep pressing it, then the lights will on. And while keep pressing it, it will even off. Even there is a battery holder here, back of the drone. And for starting it, you have to keep pressing this one, or I think so double times. 1 minute. Yes, friends, see. After on the lights, you have to keep pressing this button, then it will on and it will start fly. So friends, now we'll go out and test this drone. So friends, now I came to a park and now we will test our drone. So friends, now we'll first see how the drone will work. Friends, first we have to on this button here, and after that when the light starts blinking here, whole drone will start blinking. Then we have to press this button. And friends, I have even wore this controller. Friends, we have to first hold the drone in our hands and start it. After that, we have to click the button that is there on our finger. We have to keep pressing it. We have to press it for a long time and move our hand. After that, we have to leave it. After that, we have to check that the drone will move at the directions or no. Same we have to do for right and left. So friends, let's start. So friends, now I'll on this button. Friends, now light started blinking. Now if I press this button, then the drone will start. See friends, the drone started. Now we have to press this button. friends, now I'll leave the drone. See friends, it is how going. So friends, if you liked this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel Science with Ayazullah. Thank you for watching.